Hey everyone, welcome to SmartFarm documentary. The United States stands among the world's leading pistachio producers, with California supplying more than 99% of national output. In recent years, harvest volumes have exceeded 1 billion pounds, generating billions of dollars in revenue and reinforcing pistachios as one of America's most valuable specialty crops. But behind every handful of roasted pistachios lies a slow-growing tree. Years of orchard management, precise harvest timing, and a highly engineered processing system. Pistachio production is not a short-term investment. It is a long-term agricultural strategy built on patience, environmental control, and technological innovation. Today, we explore the full journey of pistachios, from orchard establishment to global snack markets. The pistachio life cycle begins with soil selection and orchard design. Pistachio trees thrive in well-drained soils, rich in organic matter, with a pH range between 6 and 8. Good drainage is critical because waterlogging can severely damage root systems. Propagation typically involves germinating rootstock seedlings before grafting them with selected, high-yielding varieties. Young plants are first raised in controlled nursery environments where temperature and moisture are monitored carefully to ensure strong root development. Once established, seedlings are transplanted into orchards with spacing of approximately 12 to 15 feet between trees. This spacing allows sunlight penetration, air circulation, and access for mechanical harvesters. Pistachio trees mature slowly. It may take 7 to 10 years before meaningful yields begin, and up to 15 years to reach peak productivity. Even then, pistachios exhibit an alternate bearing pattern, producing high yields one year and lower yields the next. Managing this natural cycle requires precise irrigation, fertilization, and pruning strategies. Irrigation systems, often drip-based, deliver controlled water directly to the root zone. Pistachios are drought-tolerant compared to other nut crops, but consistent water during nut development is essential for kernel quality. Pruning during dormancy endurance helps shape the canopy, remove weak branches, and balance energy distribution within the tree. Pollination in pistachio orchards is unique. Unlike almonds, pistachios rely primarily on wind pollination. Male and female trees are planted strategically to ensure pollen distribution during the spring bloom, typically in April. By early summer, pistachio clusters expand. The outer hull develops first, followed by the hardening of the shell. Inside, the kernel matures as temperatures rise, preparing for harvest in late summer. Timing is critical in pistachio harvesting. Harvest typically begins in late August or September, when hulls loosen and shells naturally split, a sign of maturity. Modern harvesting relies on mechanical tree shakers. These machines grip the trunk and apply controlled vibrations, causing ripe pistachios to fall onto catch frames rather than the ground. This minimizes contamination and preserves quality. Harvesting usually begins early in the morning when temperatures are lower. Cooler conditions protect nut quality and improve worker safety. Once detached pistachios are immediately transferred to field bins and transported to processing facilities within hours. Rapid movement is essential because hulls can stain shells if left untreated for too long. Mechanization allows large orchards to be harvested efficiently within a narrow window, protecting the crop from weather risks and quality degradation. Processing begins with hulling, removing the soft outer hull from the shell. This step is performed using mechanical hullers that separate hull material from the in-shell pistachio. After hulling, pistachios undergo washing to remove residual debris. Advanced systems use controlled water flow and energy-efficient cleaning methods to maintain hygiene while minimizing resource consumption. Drying is one of the most critical stages. Pistachios enter automated dryers equipped with temperature and humidity sensors. Indirect heated air reduces moisture content to approximately 5 to 7%, preserving crispness and preventing mold growth. Optical sorting systems then inspect each nut. High-speed cameras detect shell defects, discoloration, closed shells, or foreign material. Automated systems separate premium open-shell pistachios from lower-grade or closed-shell nuts. Closed-shell pistachios may undergo mechanical shell opening or be redirected for further processing into kernels. After grading, pistachios are either roasted, salted, flavored, or kept raw depending on product specifications. Industrial roasters apply uniform heat to enhance flavor and ensure food safety. Packaging follows strict quality protocols. Vacuum-sealed bags, nitrogen-flushed packaging, and moisture-resistant containers protect pistachios during storage and transportation. Pistachios reach consumers in multiple forms: in-shell roasted and salted snacks, shelled kernels for baking and confectionery, chopped or ground pistachios for desserts, pistachio paste and butter, pistachio oil for culinary applications. Nutritionally, pistachios are rich in protein, fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Their balanced nutrient profile supports heart health and sustained energy. Global demand continues to grow, with pistachios exported to markets across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Behind pistachio production stands a long-term agricultural commitment. Growers invest nearly a decade before seeing full returns. Orchard management requires careful forecasting, environmental monitoring, and financial planning. Harvest crews, machinery operators, processing engineers, quality inspectors, and export coordinators form an integrated value chain. Technological innovation plays a growing role. Data-driven irrigation systems yield mapping, and precision agriculture tools help optimize productivity while reducing environmental impact. At the same time, pistachio farming reflects traditional agricultural patience. Trees planted today may produce for generations, making pistachio orchards a multi-decade investment in land stewardship. The journey of a pistachio begins as a fragile, grafted seedling and unfolds over years of growth, wind pollination, and careful orchard management. It continues through precision harvesting, rapid hulling, controlled drying, advanced sorting, and protective packaging. What appears as a simple green nut is the result of long-term planning, environmental control, and advanced food technology. The next time you crack open a pistachio shell, you are experiencing the outcome of years of cultivation and a highly coordinated agricultural system, one that transforms patient science and engineering into one of the world's most valued snacks.